Welcome back to Behind Recapped. Humans are referred to as crown of creations because of their intelligence. All humans are dependent on a muscular bag gift inner their frame. Without ordinary functioning of this muscular bag, human beings can't live. I'm speaking about human heart. From our start to demise, human heart cannot stop and work paintings and paintings till our demise. Heart bureaucracy. Oxygen and nutrient-rich blood to our body during the entire existence. The dimensions of our coronary heart is most effective of one dinner party. However, do you already know that how this type of tiny-sized coronary heart can pump blood to all of our frame? How our coronary heart looks like and what is the feature of our coronary heart in our frame? In this video, we can speak approximately human coronary heart, and you'll likely get the answer of those questions. That is our coronary heart. It is positioned among our lungs. Coronary heart is bent closer to our left lung. Our heart is blanketed by way of a double membranous structure called as pericardium. Now communicate about the structures present in the heart due to which our coronary heart constantly beats. Our coronary heart is split into left and proper side through a valve. This valve is called as cardiac septum. Herds, right aspect comprise deoxygenated blood at the same time as left aspect includes oxygenated blood. Cardiac septum opposes the integration of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Every facet of our heart is in addition divided into chambers. Those are top chambers gift on the pinnacle, and those are decreased chambers present at the bottom. Higher chambers are known as atrium, and the lower chambers are referred to as ventricles. Total chambers of our heart are 4. Those are the main elements of our heart for the circulation of blood toward or away from our heart. There are narrow tubes in our body. These are called as blood vessels. We also recognize that the vessels that bring blood in the direction of our coronary heart are known as veins, and the vessels that takes blood far away from our heart are referred to as arteries. This pipe referred to as is liable for collecting blood from the higher part of our frame, such as brain, shoulders, and neck, etc. This pipe, called as inferior, is liable for amassing blood from the decrease a part of our body. Together with abdomen and legs, blood coming from the inferior and superior is obtained into the proper atrium of the coronary heart. Point to consider is that this blood is deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood is commonly represented through blue shade. There are 4 valves in our coronary heart: tricuspid valve, pulmonary valve, mitral valve, and those valves say to you the back float of our blood. When the right ventricle relax and the proper atrium contract, deoxygenated blood from right atrium movements towards the proper ventricle. The oxygenated blood is pumped from the proper ventricles to the lungs via pulmonary arteries. This happens at the contraction of right ventricle. In our lungs, oxygenation of blood takes place and blood turns into oxygenated. Oxygenated blood moves toward the left atrium, whilst left ventricle contracts. The oxygen-wealthy blood then flows from the left atrium to left ventricle. The blood is then pumped through the principal artery that elements blood to the frame, referred to as if we are able to speak, approximately the valves of our heart. The tricuspid valve is gift among the proper atrium and the right ventricle. Pulmonary valve is present between the right ventricle and the pulmonary artery. Bicuspid or mitral valve is placed between the right ventricle and the left ventricle, and the aortic wall is positioned among the left ventricle and aorta. while these valves are open to blood.